Hey guys, welcome back to NoLogic. Today we'll be taking a look at the EKLEVA headphones. Is it good? Continue watching to find out. Let's go. Let's look at the unboxing now. The box came in a thin black plastic cover. Once I removed the cover, there was a cardboard box saying headphones at the top. In the box, we have the headphones themselves, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the micro USB charging cable. You can use these headphones in two ways, wired or wireless. For the price of just over 20 Singapore dollars, it is a good deal. There are also three different colors to choose from: red, black and blue. The blue version is slightly cheaper, as you can see here. I will link these headphones in the description below. You can check them out if you want to. Next, let's look at the sound quality of these headphones. The sound quality is about what you would expect for a pair of $20 wireless headphones. They sound average, I would say. The quality of the sound does decrease a bit at higher volumes. There is some bass and has average mids and highs. For the price, I would say it's quite good. Next, let's look at the build quality. The EKLEVA headphones are made out of plastic and feel sturdy in my hands. It does not feel cheaply built and has got some weight to it. It also does not make any creaking sound when pulling on the headphones. Next, the ear cups are soft but are quite small for me. It is actually more like on-ear headphones rather than over-ear ones. They are comfortable, but I couldn't wear them for too long as I don't really like on-ear headphones. The headphones fold inwards like this to form this compact little package that can fit in most spaces and is easy to carry around. The battery life is also decent and should be able to last for a few hours. The headphones do not require the battery if you're using it with a wire, so technically it can last as long as your phone has got enough juice. Overall, I think that these headphones are good for the price, but I would recommend something like the ZNT SoundFit Jocks if you want larger ear cups for a more comfortable experience. Do check out my video on that headphones, and the link is down in the description below. That's all I have for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!